Back injuries are one of the silent career killers in our industry. They creep up on helpers, laborious, millwrights, and technicians who move heavy loads day after day in plants. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, musculoskeletal disorders, especially back injuries and strains, account for a huge number of lost workdays every year. In 2024 alone, private industry reported over 2.5 million work-related injury and illness cases, with back problems consistently ranking near the top. Welcome to Toolbox Talk TV, your practical, straight-talking guide to industrial safety for real workers in oil and gas, petrochemical, fertilizer, and power plants. Today we are talking about something that affects almost everyone on site: manual handling and back injury prevention. If you lift, carry, push, or pull materials, this video is for you. Let us start with the reality on the ground. Imagine this. You are in the middle of a turnaround. A heavy valve needs to be moved from the laydown yard to the work area. It is awkward, it is slippery from the morning dew, and the clock is ticking. You bend over, round your back, and lift with your arms instead of your legs. That single decision can lead to weeks or even months of pain. Section 1. Why back injuries are so common in plants. Our work involves repetitive lifting of pipes, bags of catalyst, heavy tools, valves, and scaffolding parts. Add in awkward postures inside vessels, confined spaces, and elevated platforms, plus fatigue during long shifts, and you have a perfect recipe for injury. Unlike a dramatic fall or struck-by incident, back injuries often build gradually until one day you cannot get out of bed. Section 2. The right way to lift and handle loads. First, always size up the load. Ask yourself, can I lift this safely alone? If not, call for help or use mechanical equipment. When you do lift, keep the load as close to your body as possible. Bend your knees, keep your back straight, and push up with your powerful leg muscles. Avoid twisting your upper body while holding weight. Instead, move your feet to turn. For pushing or pulling, use your body weight, keep your knees bent, and maintain a straight back. Section 3. Real-world tools and techniques used by smart crews. Use hoists, chain blocks, pallet jacks, trolleys, and shoulder pads whenever possible. Team lifting is not a sign of weakness, it is a sign of professionalism. Communicate clearly with your partner before every move. Store materials at waist height when you can. This simple habit reduces bending and reaching dramatically. Section 4. Long-term prevention and smart habits. Maintain good core strength with simple exercises when you are off shift. Stay hydrated, dehydration makes muscles more prone to strain. Wear proper gloves with good grip and safety boots that support your ankles. Report any early signs of back discomfort immediately. A small issue today can become a major problem tomorrow. Common mistakes we see every day include lifting with a rounded back, attempting heavy loads alone to save time, rushing movements during pressure situations, ignoring slippery or uneven surfaces, and using poor posture in tight plant spaces. Here is your immediate practical takeaway checklist you can start using tomorrow. Number 1. Assess the load first. If it feels heavy or awkward, get help or use equipment. Number 2. Bend at the knees, keep the load close to your body, and lift with your legs. Number 3. Never twist your torso while carrying weight, move your feet instead. Number 4. Use mechanical aids and team lifts whenever possible. Number 5. Maintain good posture, stay hydrated, and report discomfort early. Quick recap. Your back is one of your most important tools on site. Treat it with respect. Plan every lift, use proper technique, use equipment, and never take shortcuts that could end your career. That is it for today's Toolbox Talk TV. Please like this video if it gave you useful tips and subscribe to Toolbox Talk TV for more practical industrial safety content that actually helps you on the job. In our next video we will cover scaffold safety, inspection tags, load ratings, and red flags. What is one manual handling technique or tip that has saved your back over the years? Share it in the comments below. We read every single comment and it helps the whole crew. Stay safe out there, and remember, a strong back means more paychecks and more time with your family.